Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories. Today, we have a fun and useful topic for you. Tell me, does this sound like you? You start a conversation in English. You say, "Hi," and then silence? Don't worry. You are not alone. Many English learners feel shy when they talk. But today, we'll fix that together. You'll learn how to keep talking naturally in English. I'll show you simple words, easy phrases, and friendly tricks that you can use right away. Are you ready? Let's start. Imagine you are at a cafe. The staff smiles and says, "Hi, how are you today?" You can answer, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" See? Easy. When someone asks you a question, always return the question. This is the first secret to a natural conversation. Let's try another one. Barista says, "Busy day?" You say, "Yes, a little, but I like my coffee break." How's your day? It sounds simple, right? But this small answer shows that you are friendly and open. Tip: you don't need long sentences. Just smile, ask back. That's how small talk works. Now, imagine you're talking with a classmate or a coworker. They say, "It's hot today, isn't it?" You can reply, "Yes, it's really hot. I can't wait for the weekend." Or maybe someone says, "Nice shirt." You can say, "Thank you. I got it yesterday. Do you like blue?" See what happened there? You didn't stop at "thank you." You added one more sentence. That's how you keep the talk going. Let's do one more. Your friend asks, "Are you busy today?" You say, "Yes, a little. I have to study English. What about you?" This small question, "What about you?" is a magic phrase. It helps you sound polite and interested. Tip: when you don't know what to say, use "What about you?" or "How about you?" These short phrases keep the conversation alive. Okay, now let's go to the next level, the boss level. You meet someone new. What do you say? Start simple. "Hi, my name is Anna. What's your name?" They say, "I'm Tom." You say, "Nice to meet you, Tom." Then ask, "Do you live here?" Or, "What do you do?" This means, "What is your job?" They answer, and you can say, "That's cool," or "That sounds interesting." When the talk feels slow, ask about hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? This is one of the best questions in English because everyone loves to talk about hobbies. Example: I like music. You say, really? Me too. What kind of music? They say, I like pop. You say, nice. I love pop music too. Now you are having a real conversation. Tip: people enjoy talking about themselves. So ask questions that start with what or do. Example: do you like movies? What kind of books do you read? Simple questions, big connection. Here's a secret trick. When you don't know what to say, just repeat the last few words with a question sound. Example: they say, I love traveling. You say, you love traveling? They reply, yes, I went to Japan last year. See what happened there? They start talking more. It shows you are listening and interested. This trick helps your conversations sound longer and more natural. Let's review what we learned today. 1. Return the question. How about you? 2. Add one more sentence after thank you. 3. Ask about hobbies. What do you do in your free time? 4. Repeat the last 3 words to show interest. These small steps make a big difference. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need big words. You just need to smile, listen, and ask simple questions. That's how you keep any English conversation alive and friendly. Now it's your turn. In the comments below, write one simple English sentence you can use to keep a talk going. Maybe, how about you? Or, what do you do in your free time? Practice by writing. It's great training for your brain. If this lesson was helpful, please click like and subscribe for more easy English stories. Share it with a friend who is learning English too. Let's keep learning together. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope your next conversation is long, fun, and full of smiles. See you next time, and remember, don't stop talking. Keep it natural.